Michelle here with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. It is the 1st of June 2026. I can't believe the year is flying so fast. Summer is upon us. I know we're having a heat wave here in Florida. Hot sunny days with some rainy afternoons, which is pretty typical for summers here. But I want to share with you today the subscriptions for June so that you can see what's going to be delivered on your doorstep. If you're not a subscriber to one of our subscriptions, maybe this is the month to do it. I think the items are pretty awesome, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing them and getting them delivered to you. So let's jump down to the table and let's take a look at what's inside our subscriptions this month. Let's get started with our stamp and die of the month. These are charged on the 10th of every month, and they are shipped that day unless it's a holiday or a weekend. If you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door. It's shipped for free within the US for only $12. It does become available to purchase individually without the subscription later in the month, but the stamp set will be its retail value of $16 at that point. So it's a great value to get the stamp or stamp and die of the month. The stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the stamp and the coordinating dies. I just have an image of my dies because I don't have them in hand right now to show you. But the stamp and die of the month, you get the 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies, and it's shipped for free within the US for $24. Again, that one ships and charges on the 10th of the month as well. Of course, you can subscribe anytime during the month that we have these still available, and you'll get the set for the month. For June, look how cute these are. These are illustrated by Yuzu. This is Ride Any Wave. And we've got some adorable sea turtles. We've got some jellyfish, some little sea plant life, some rocks and bubbles and stars. The sentiments say, "Shello, friend, celebrating you. I'll ride any wave with you. You're totally amazing." Love this set. That's the stamp and die of the month. Next up, let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit. So our Crafty Courtyard kit is our card kit, and it charges and ships on the 15th of the month. The base charge for the kit is $34.99, and we do add shipping based on your location. So the price will go up as you go through checkout because the shipping is added based on where you live. We do add shipping because the boxes are always over £1. They're packed full of goodies. The value of each kit is well over $60. I think it's one of the best kit values out there. So let's go through the paper first. You always get a flyer that tells you what's in the kit, so you know exactly what you're getting. And on the reverse side, I usually have some fun little card sketches that I do up for you just to kind of jumpstart your creativity and give you some ideas on what you can create. The cardstock and paper this month, we've got a half sheet of this beautiful aqua glitter cardstock. Oh, simply beautiful. We've got a sheet of our dress shop, street light, Riverwalk, the Moss, and Ice Rink White. All of those cardstocks are in the kit. Our cardstocks are 100-pound cover weight, so they're nice, sturdy cardstocks, except the white. The white is 110 pounds, so it's a great weight for your card bases. You're going to get one of our Velcro closure 9x7-inch storage pockets with your kit inside. This month we're giving you one of our premium dye ink pads. This is Lakeside. It's a beautiful greenish teal. So it's a teal that leans towards the green side, but super pretty color. Great for all your stamping needs. We're going to have to wing it here this time. I do not have some of the items in the kit, but I need to get my video done. So you are going to get a pack of confetti sequins. I tried to get a good picture of them. I don't have them in hand, but they're a beautiful blue and aqua mix, and they have different shimmers and shines to them, some holographic, some satin, a beautiful mix, kind of look like ocean waters. So you'll get your sequin confetti. You're going to get a half sheet. Let me see if I have something to put this against so we can see it. There we go. These beautiful, beautiful 4-point star glitter enamel shapes, and they're in all the beautiful colors that coordinate with the kit. So you're going to love adding these as your finishing touch to your cards and other projects. You get a full 8.5 by 5.5 paper pack. This is called Under the Sea. These are super cute beach, ocean, summer themed papers. I love them. I love summer. It's one of my favorite seasons, so I love everything about this kit. So we've got a beautiful diagonal stripe. We've got multicolored polka dots. Love that. Look at the fish and the octopus. So cute. We've got some bubbles. Some really pretty hibiscus flowers. Green with white polka dot. There are 12 different patterns, and you get 2 of each for a total of 24 sheets. Here we've got some beautiful little waves. Here's some more hibiscus flowers. Isn't that cute? Kind of reminds me of like a Hawaiian shirt, a pattern that would be on a Hawaiian shirt. There's a really nice plaid. I love my plaids. Love to mix and match the different patterns. Polka dots, plaid, stripes. We've got a tone-on-tone yellow polka dot. Here we have some sharks and some fish and some starfish. Super cute. And then here we have a sheet with just fish and bubbles in the water. Super cute. And then we start back over with the patterns again. Again, it's 12 different patterns, 24 sheets, so you get 2 of each. We've got a nice large 6x6 stamp set in the kit this month. This is called Shrimply the Best, and I named it just because of this adorable little shrimp down here. I thought he was so cute. The sentiments say, seize the day, you're shrimply the best, have a fantastic birthday, you're dolphinately my favorite. I love that. I colored these sea animals today and they were super fun to color. I mean, you can use all kinds of colors for the critters that live under the sea. You're also going to get the coordinating dies. Of course, this is just an image. The dies will be much larger because they'll fit the stamps that are here, but just a look at the stamp and the coordinating dies. But that's not all. The kit, we also are giving you one of our large stencils, and it's the flip-flop stencils. So I don't have that in hand either, but I've got you a nice image so you can see. I just wanted to make sure I could get my video out on time. We've been doing kit subscription since 2019, so for 7 years, and I don't think I've ever not shown you what is in the kit on the first of the month. But you'll get this fun flip-flop stencil, so you can make all kinds of fun backgrounds with these flip-flop images. And last but certainly not least is our foil subscription. So with our foil subscription, you normally get 2 types of foilables and a roll of foil, and you get the foil first, basically, before we release it later in the month. I'll just remove my little tape here so I can show you. The foil this month, just like every other month, I say, oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. It's gorgeous. This is called Ocean Waters. So it's beautiful blue tone foils, And I am about at the end of this roll here, but you will get a fresh, brand new roll that's 6¼ inches wide by 25 feet long. You get 25 feet of foil. So you get plenty of foil to do as many projects as you like. So it's just gorgeous. It looks like ocean waves or water. Super pretty. It's so hard to get just what the foils look like on camera as what they look like in real person. So I hope if you subscribe to the foil subscription and you get your foil each month and you go, oh wow, and it just makes you gasp when you open it because it's so much prettier in person than it is on the camera. So not only you get the roll of foil, you're going to get a pack of our foilable panels. This is our beach sayings. So I give you the negative and the positive print so that you can get a couple of different looks with that. One, you'll foil the background, and the other one, you foil the sentiments. So lots of different things you can do with that. They say, beach more, worry less. Life is better at the beach. Life is better in flip-flops. Love you to the beach and back. I like that. Sandy toes and sun-kissed nose. Salty kisses and starfish wishes. So some great little sentiments to add to some fun summer cards. Along with the foilable panels, you're going to get a pack of our foilable sheets. There are 8 different ones in here. This is called Ride the Waves. I've got some that I've already cut because we're going to foil these 2 here that I've cut, but you'll get the full sheets of these. They're 8.5 by 5.5, so they're perfect for A2 cards, or you can also cut them up and make larger cards, smaller cards, whatever you need. Maybe you put foiled pieces in your scrapbooking or your journaling, so they're great for that too. So these 2 are the first ones there, the little kind of doodled waves with the seashells. I love that. That's so cute. Here we have like some big kind of abstract artsy waves. I love that one. You get the positive and negative. How fun will that look with that Ocean Waters foil? Look at these. How pretty is that? You get the positive and negative of that. And then here's some kind of bubbly waves with the water and the bubbles. And you get the positive and negative print of that. So that is the Ride the Waves foilable sheets. The foil subscription is shipped for free within the US for $21.99, so it's also a great value. As I mentioned, I want to foil a couple of these so that we can see just how this new foil looks on the foilables. I'll grab my foil dusting brush. I've got 2 pieces of foil already cut to size and ready to go. I'm just going to lightly dust off my foilables. You don't want any dust or pet hair or anything like that to get in between your foilable and your foil. I've got my transfer folder. I'm going to put my foilable in here, and then I'm going to add my piece of foil to the top. And the foil always goes pretty side up on your foilable. I usually flip it to the back and just make sure that everything is covered just like I want. You don't want any of the foilable to stick out over the foil because you don't want any of that toner printed design to stick out. Our ink machine has turned green and beeped on setting number 3, so it's ready to go. I'll put my transfer folder folded side in first, flat, straight, and even. And this one's done. It's going to be hot when you pull it out. I'm going to take it out of the transfer folder and set it aside, and we'll go ahead and foil our next foilable. This is the positive print, or what I call the positive print. We foiled the negative one first. So a negative print, when I say that, it means that the negative or the background is what the foil is going to stick to. And this one being a positive print The image is printed in black, and that's what the foil is going to stick to. And if you have any questions about the foiling process or anything, just reach out and let us know. We also have lots of videos on foiling on our YouTube channel here. While that one runs through, let's do my favorite peel and reveal. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. I don't know if I can get it to show in the light just how pretty it is. That's our negative print. Once you take it out of the machine, you want to let it cool off. You want it cool to the touch when you do the peel and reveal. You can always save your negative foil piece because you can foil these on solid toner sheets. Look at that, how pretty is that? So even in a design that's mostly line artwork, you can use that really pretty pattern foil, and you don't necessarily see all the pattern of it at once, but as you see it in the light, you can see the different striations of color that are in those ocean waves of the foil. That came out just gorgeous. Thanks so very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at these subscription products for June 2026. I hope you're excited to get these delivered to your door. If you're not a subscriber, you can head on over to pinkandmane.com and learn more about the subscriptions, or just subscribe and you'll get the wonderful products delivered to you. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.